Hey guys, it's Pencil Boy here, and today I'll be teaching you guys and my friend how to make a Christmas tree. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is make your piece of paper into a square. Yeah, whatever. Like so, by folding this. And now we grab our scissors. Screw that up and alright. So then you unfold it and you fold it onto the other corner. Alright, then we unfold and we, yep, you know what you're doing. Do the same with the other side. And unfold. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is take both your corners and kind of use this quarter, you could call it. Just push it in like that. And touch it to the other one. Yeah, you got it like that. And then you kind of flatten it using the same creases, making sure that that's all flat. So now you've got a small square. Right. And now we take one of these up. So you need it, yeah, like that. Alright, then put your finger in the pocket. Yep, and flatten. Alright, now we're gonna flip that. And, yep, and do the same with the other ones. Okay, and then you want to do your other one.
That's my last one, isn't it?
Oh, there should be two more.
Oh man, that's extra.
Oh, I think I skipped one. Yeah, I skipped one. Did I? Oh god, I'm confused now. I've confused myself.
If you confuse yourself, just like I did, open the origami up and have another quick look and then close it. And you should be able to find where you left off.
Oh, here we go. Oh, you finished before me. Right, so once you've done all of those, now what you do is you put it like together like that, flatten like that. Yep, and you grab your scissors and you follow that line and cut all the way down. Like so. Right. And then you can chuck those out.
Dramatic.
Now we grab our scissors and we cut 4 strips, like halfway. 4 dashes evenly spaced.
Oh no.
Make sure you don't cut all the way through. And make sure you keep it in line with the opposite side. Alright, so now we take one of these and we fold it down like this.
The two of them.
Oh no, not with, like one singular.
Oh yeah.
Like this. As far as you can fold it down. And then you flip over and do the next one.
Once you finish folding all these slits down, the next thing you want to do is fan out the tree, and you're finished. And there we go guys, how to fold a Christmas tree. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was definitely different than normal. I thought it would be fun to teach my friend as well as you guys. So if you did enjoy it, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel as I post a creative video every week.